picked up our rental car, and here it is. We got a Jetta, a Volkswagen, and yeah, we got the Florida. We're gonna have to install the car seat, and it looks like that. It's pretty cool. So we just arrived at the Orlando Airport, and we have booked the Orlando Marriott Airport Lakeside. We got our car seat and just installed Teddy's little seat. It's 10 o'clock at night, so we're gonna head on over to the Marriott and hopefully we make it. Yeah, we got this rental car, and we usually have old cars and we didn't know where to find the start stop, so.
Head west toward Terminal B arrivals.
Can you see the lights, Teddy?
Yes, let's just merge on.
We should be arriving at the Marriott Orlando Airport Lakeside soon. I think I saw the sign for it. Well, it looks like there are some food here because we did not
At the
get
light,
dinner.
turn right onto T.G. Lee Boulevard.
Okay, stay in the right lane.
Okay.
And we are.
There are some,
In
lots of
1,000
hotels
feet,
around here.
turn right onto Augusta
There's
National
a
Drive.
Holiday Inn, Hampton Inn, and a few little other ones. We just got to the airport and parked at the South Park, and we're gonna walk in. Hotel. Did I not say hotel?
You said airport.
Oh, it's late. Okay. Hi, Limp Noodle. This is one of our latest arrivals at a hotel.
For later hotel arrivals.
We got to the hotel, and right here we have our bed. I think it's a king bed. Random bench. Pack and play. Lamp. Interesting wall art. Recliner chair. Well, just a chair. Over here we have a TV, a desk. The important stuff, right? Ice bucket. And time to get him ready for bed. Bathroom area. They have towels, random soap, extra towels there. Hello. Teddy is already asleep from the car. I guess he didn't brush his teeth, but that's alright. Over here we have a laundry bag, ironing board, and I assume this is the toilet and the shower. Toilet and shower. Regular shower head. Trash can. So I got a tuna poke thing, and Brian got a fish sandwich with fries. Let's see, does it look any good?
Hopefully we don't wake him up.
Okay. Anyway, I just got an appetizer thing. You wanna go back?